These herbs smell wonderful. Perfect for tonight's stew.
You made it!
I did! It's so good to see you.
Come on in.
Thanks.
You look like you could use a fresh one.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Of course. Here you go.
All clean. How's the soup?
It's ready. Want to try?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
This is wonderful, especially with you here.
I'm so glad we could share this. That one's almost clean.
Yep, just a little more.
There we are, a little brighter now. This is so cozy.
It is. I'm glad we're here.
Here you go, my dears. That's it. Enjoy your breakfast. Good girls. It's so peaceful here with you.
It is. I could stay here forever.
Me too.
I love you.